Outstanding low-mileage example with high-specification 24-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak, finished in agate black metallic with full black Wildtrak embossed leather upholstery. VAT qualifying, covered 7,401 miles, fitted with £4,040 worth of optional extras to include Technology Pack 71, factory-fitted electric roll cover with bedliner, 18-inch alloy wheels, blind spot monitoring, Raptor front grille giving a powerful stance and aggressive exterior presence, supplied with remaining balance of manufacturer warranty until the 23rd of April 2027. This Ranger comes with satellite navigation, auto Android or Apple CarPlay, adaptive cruise control, heated seats and heated steering wheel for those cold days, and climate-controlled air conditioning for those warmer days. 360-degree camera, front and rear parking sensors, advanced automated self-park system, advanced four-wheel drive system with terrain management to tackle the toughest of terrains. Why not inquire today? Just click the link or call to make an appointment.